Hi again! In this video we will go through artificial light sources. Artificial light sources can be broadly subdivided into three types. Incandescent sources. Energy is produced by a heated filament. Fluorescent sources. Energy is produced by the ionization of a gas. Light-emitting diodes, LED. Energy is produced by the conduction of electricity through a diode exciting the electrons in it. Let's study each type of light sources and their pros and cons. Incandescent lamps. How incandescent lamps work. Incandescent lights work by generating heat. When a body is hot enough, it starts to emit light. The problem is that very high temperatures are needed to achieve an efficient performance. 90% of the energy provided to incandescent lights is lost in the form of waste heat. There are two types of incandescent lights. The first type is called General Lighting Service Lamp, or GLS. In your screen, you should be able to see the specifications. I recommend you take notes. Standard light bulbs are popular in private dwellings. They have excellent color quality. They last an average of 1,000 hours and are dimmable. The second type of incandescent lighting is tungsten halogen lamps. Although they have poor energy efficiencies, these light bulbs achieve up to 20% energy savings in comparison to standard light bulbs and double the life expectancy of the ones previously presented. Fluorescent lamps. How fluorescent lamps work. Fluorescent lights work by inducing radiation. Inside the tube there is mercury vapor that, when exposed to an electric current, is ionized, inducing ultraviolet radiation. A phosphorus cover on the inside of the glass tube absorbs the UV radiation and fluoresces, glows, producing visible light. There are two types of incandescent lights. First, we have tubular fluorescent lamps. The light emitted loses quality over a short period of time, and they take some time to achieve full brightness. One bulb can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions by hundreds of kilos. They contain about 4 to 5 milligrams of toxic mercury, which can be harmful to humans and the environment if bulbs are not disposed properly. These lamps achieve up to 75% energy savings in comparison to standard light bulbs. They are non-dimmable and aren't recommended for spaces where light quality is vital. The second type is compact fluorescent lamps. One bulb can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions by hundreds of kilos. They contain toxic mercury, which can be harmful to humans and the environment if bulbs are not disposed properly. These lamps achieve up to 70% energy savings in comparison to standard light bulbs. They are dimmable. Finally, we have light-emitting diodes, or LEDs. How LED lamps work. The working principle is electroluminescence, which consists of the passage of electric current generating the material to emit light. Let's look at the LED specs. LED lights haven't achieved the color quality incandescent lights achieve, and because of that, they are not recommended for spaces where light quality is vital. LED lights have the higher life expectancy and ultra-low power consumption. They are by far the most energy-efficient light sources in the market. They contain no toxic components. Over its lifespan, one LED will prevent approximately half a ton of greenhouse gas emissions from entering the atmosphere. They are dimmable and light controls can be applied. Well, it's been a long ride, but I hope this gives you the information you need to choose the right type of lighting for your specific building. Bye!